For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Assuming you're searching for DRAC token cost expectations, figure for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to as far as aims and purposes might be aware where the costs of DRAC token, DRAC, will commonly go from now on. We will break down the past costs of DRAC token, DRAC, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master, experts, which is genuinely critical. Also foreseeing something so wonderful is totally incomprehensible. However, we will make an honest effort, which generally is very huge. How about we start? DRAC most certainly token past price analysis. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of DRAC token in a real sense is $0.051 and DRAC generally is right now in a real sense positioned in the whole crypto environment. The course supply of DRAC in every way that really matters, token basically is zero with a market cap of $0. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the DRAC token's cost has shown a very decent increment of 10.11% as of now. DRAC token certainly is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, or so they thought. The DRAC is down to nearly minus 11.29% over the most recent 7 days. The coin most certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could serious areas of strength for have in any case. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. We anticipate future DRAC token cost expectations. DRAC figure by applying profound man-made brainpower helped specialized analysis on the past value information of DRAC token, which essentially is genuinely critical. We give our all to generally gather greatest verifiable information for the DRAC coin which incorporate kind of numerous boundaries like in every way that really matters, past value, DRAC token market cap, DRAC token volume and barely any in every way that really matters, more. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, for the most part make a point to peruse our expectations explicitly. DRAC token price prediction 2022, in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. As per our profound specialized examination on especially past value information of DRAC, in 2022 the cost of DRAC token is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.059, which is genuinely critical. The DRAC cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.067 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.061, which is genuinely huge. DRAC pretty token, DRAC, price forecast August 2022. For August the cost of DRAC token is anticipated to arrive at a typical month-to-month furthest reaches of $0.054 while the coin will exchange between a limit of $0.056 and at least $0.049. DRAC token price forecast September 2022 the normal cost of DRAC token, DRAC, could go to $0.056 toward the finish of September in a significant manner. DRAC could be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0.058 with the base expected cost of $0.054. DRAC token, DRAC, price forecast October 2022. For October the cost of DRAC certainly token is anticipated to arrive at a typical month-to-month furthest reaches of $0.057 while the coin will exchange between a limit of $0.061 and at least $0.055. DRAC token price prediction November 2022. The cost of DRAC token is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.056 in 2022. The DRAC cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.064 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.059 all through 2022 in an unpretentious manner. DRAC most certainly token price prediction 2023. The cost of DRAC token is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.093 in 2023. The DRAC token cost can in every practical sense arrive at a most extreme degree of 10 cents with the typical cost of $0.096 all through 2023, or so they thought. DRAC price forecast for 2024 to 2025. According to the Figure Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2024 the cost of DRAC token generally is anticipated to reach at least a degree of 14 cents. The DRAC cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 16 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 14 cents, or so they really thought. The cost of one DRAC token is supposed to by and large reach at an exceptionally least degree of 21 cents in 2025. The DRAC cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 24 cents with the typical cost of 21 cents all through 2025. DRAC token price prediction 2026. DRAC token cost generally is conjectured to arrive at least conceivable degree of 29 cents in 2026 incredibly. According to our discoveries, the DRAC cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 36 cents with the typical gauge cost of 30 cents incredibly. DRAC token price prediction 2027. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of DRAC, in 2027 the cost of DRAC token is estimated to be at around a base worth of 41 cents, which is very critical. The DRAC token value worth can arrive at a limit of 52 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 43 cents in USD. DRAC token, DRAC, price prediction 2028, which is very critical. The cost of DRAC token is anticipated to reach at least worth of 60 cents in 2028. The DRAC in every way that really matters, token cost could arrive at a greatest worth of 73 cents with the especially normal exchanging cost of 62 cents all through 2028, or so they thought. DRAC token price prediction, forecast 2029. According to the Figure and Specialized Examination, in 2029 the cost of DRAC token is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of 89 cents. The DRAC cost can for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest value worth of $1.07 with the typical worth of 92 cents. DRAC token, DRAC, price prediction 2030. The cost of DRAC token essentially is anticipated to reach at least worth of $1.31 in 2030. The DRAC kind of token cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.53 with the typical exchanging cost of $1.36 all through 2030, or so they by and large thought. DRAC